AK11 adopts a highly personalized appearance design full of futuristic technology. The fuel tank section and the seat cushion are kept at the same level, just like a bench. In addition, the overall design of its chassis is very unique and its DIY capabilities are also quite high. The frame offers 3 rear-end modification options, and vehicle owners can carry out personalized modifications according to their own preferences and needs. There are currently 4 color options for this motorcycle. AK11 is equipped with a horizontally located single-cylinder air-cooled engine. The actual cylinder volume is 125 cubic centimeters. The maximum power can reach 7.5 kW and the maximum torque is 10.5 Newton meters. The power performance is quite satisfactory. In fact, this unique and personalized motorcycle places much emphasis on power performance. He doesn't care, he pays more attention to his individual appearance. AK11 also has many highlights in terms of configuration, including LED light sources throughout the vehicle, D-level illumination 4-lens LED headlights, full-color LCD instrumentation, front and rear disc brakes with ABS anti-lock braking system, 115 mm travel distance. Front and rear inverted shock absorbers, mid-mounted hydraulic spring shock absorbers, etc. Provides a more comfortable and safer driving experience. Its curb weight is only 92 kilograms. With its unique frame design, its control and flexibility are outstanding. The seat height is only 750 millimeters and the overall narrowed seat cushion design makes it easy. Driving difficulty is greatly reduced, making it very easy. Suitable for beginner female riders. As a new brand, Awakmoto focuses on its unique appearance, excellent performance and rich configurations. These points are deeply loved by the majority of riders, and more models from 125 cubic centimeters to 450 cubic centimeters will be released in the future. Models include retro, rally, ATV, etc. is available.